Okay, this is a large pot that I think I bought it from the Wilkinson for around £2 last year. There was something else in it. Now it has cropped, it's finished. I'm going to put something else, and this time I'm putting elephant garlic. It seems this year elephant garlics are rare in the shops. I've not seen anywhere else. So many people also were leaving comments, some people were leaving comments that they cannot find elephant garlic, and they were surprised at how I found it, and they were making comments that they're good size and good value. I have 4 here which I want to plant in this pot. I've already some compost. There was a bit of weed and other things growing in it beside the crop, so I turned it over upside down, and I'm going to dig into it, plant the garlic cloves, and then cover it again. I will show you. Okay, the pack recommends 10 centimeter apart the bulb should be planted, but I'll give them more than that. This is around 15 centimeter. And I'm going to plant 4 of them. I will open the packs and show you. Okay, this is 1 pack. Let me see how many garlic. Okay, 2 cloves. Oh, they're nice, they're big. Okay, I'll plant 1 of them here, the next one here. Okay, the good thing about this elephant garlic is that they're British grown, so they're local, they're adapted to our climate. So this is 2 more cloves, hopefully. Let me see. Oh yeah, large clump. Okay, I will plant 1 here, and you have to plant them in a way that this basal plate, they first of all don't get damaged, so you don't need to squeeze in the soil. Second, you have to be careful that you don't damage this basal plate, root plate. It should be planted like this, the basal plate downward and the sharp pointed side upward. I'll plant it so you can see. I've now planted 4 elephant garlics. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to give it extra support and extra nutrition, we can add a bone meal which provides the phosphorus. Phosphorus is good for growing root system. So we want to grow root system. This is the roots of its rhizome, kind of bulb that we actually want. So I add some bone meal to this. This is fish blood and bone, very good for potatoes, again a root crop. So if we give it a lot of good growth. It has fish blood from the slaughterhouse or whatever it is, or and also bone. So I'm adding it now, generally around the soil. And it should be buried the size of itself under the soil. So I cover it, but as you see, when I cover it, just barely the top of it is above the soil, or barely can be seen. So what I will do, I will add a little bit more soil to this. To make sure the plants are covered. Okay, I have some soil here, and I will spread it over the pot where the bulbs are planted, and I will continue until this reaches this level. Okay, I've now covered it. One point I want to say that this takes a while. This will be from where we are now in October. May, June next year I will be able to harvest anything from this pot. So until then I can grow something which doesn't have very deep root system, like lettuces, or something very quick like radishes. So I will try to use this pot for that. In the same way also, these will work as a kind of green manure and as a mulch. They will stop the weeds growing here. So it will exclude the light, whatever grows here, like lettuces and other things. So I may later show another video to you that I have sown something here, or planted directly something here. Until then, that's it for elephant garlic planted. Okay, what I have to do also is to water it. So I'm just watering thoroughly. I've already drilled some holes at the bottom of it so it will not get waterlogged. About 1 centimeter above the level of the bottom of the um, pot. So all the time there is 1 centimeter of water at the bottom of it. Excess of that will be drained by those holes that I have drilled. So I thoroughly water this. And as you can see, it's free draining and the water disappears quickly. You see the bubbles appearing. The water gone. So that's what we want, light soil.